Hello, my name's James Whitworth and you're watching TechBaffle. Today we're going to look at the WinBridge S98 portable PA system.
Discover cool stuff. TechBaffle.
The beauty of this system is it actually has everything you need, so it has the PA system itself and the included headset. A big thanks to WinBridge for sending this to review. As always, my reviews are my own opinion. Box got a little bit damaged in shipping, but I think it should be okay. Despite it being compact, it actually features a 40 watt output, so it should be plenty loud enough. A 2600 mAh battery, so should last a fair good amount of time. You also have some echo settings, which is great for singing. It might also be good for karaoke as well. Don't worry, you won't have to hear my singing. Or maybe you will. Ooh. Stay tuned. And it has an included mic that has the hotline right there, so if you have any issues. On this side, it has the technical parameters. So the model is S98, frequency range 60Hz to 18kHz. That's a wide range as well, so if you want to be playing music into it, then it should sound pretty good as well. So the speaker usage time, so on battery, is 5 to 8 hours. And then if you want to use a microphone usage time, it goes down slightly to 5 hours. High power output. Boasting 40 watts of power, S98 delivers impressive audio performance. Well, we'll be the judge of that. And can easily cover large crowds of 100 plus people. So if you're doing a big presentation, if you're performing live, whatever you're planning to do, if you're busking, and you really want to get heard, this should be a really good product, making it ideal for public speaking and outdoor events. Compact and lightweight, long battery life, a versatile microphone input. So in terms of mic inputs, you actually have both 3.5mm and 6.35mm microphone inputs. So you really are versatile if you want to use a different microphone to the one that's provided. The speaker also allows for simultaneous use of wired and wireless microphones, providing flexibility for speakers and presenters. So it really has everything covered. So if you prefer your wired mics, you've always got that option whether you want wired or wireless. But yeah, very nice presentation, very smart box indeed. So if you want the WinBridge S98 portable PA system, you can buy this on Amazon. Check the TechBaffle links down below. So let's see what's inside the box. I've also got the binaural microphones, but I will test it outdoors as well because that's kind of the main use of it, or in a large space it is. Ooh. Okay, so we start off with the user manual, so very nice indeed. I think it's just in English. Oh, that's nice. I've just read down here. It says, by default, the microphone and the speaker will automatically pair when powered on, so you don't have to faff around with it. That would be pretty cool. So, it is a wireless microphone. There we go. So, if you want to pause and have a little read, then you're more than welcome to do so. As usual, I will give it a quick glance, but I like to just find things the exciting way of winging it. Put that to one side and see what's else in the box. So we have a 3.5mm cable for your aux needs, I'm guessing. We have a USB-C cable with 2 USB ends and 1 USB-A. We have a carrying strap. And then let's have a look at the unit itself. Before we get into that, we got the headset microphone. So this is actually a fully complete wireless microphone. So very compact. Look at that. That's your wireless transmitter. Oh, I get it now. So it's a 2-in-1 cable. This is what happens when you don't read the user manual. But this is actually a really clever cable because there's one USB-A, so you plug it into your USB charger, and it has 2 ends. One to charge the microphone and the other to charge the speaker. There we go. So we've got this sort of flexible, I guess this is a neckband. Yeah, like a neckband. So it goes behind your head. We have the wireless receiver, the mode button, and then we have an on-off switch just there. Very cool indeed. So the frequency that it runs is analog, 500 to 540 megahertz. So we have a nice microphone here with a windshield attached to it. Hopefully you can see it's quite dark. If you're outdoors, it's not going to have that horrible wind noise. Can't work out where the start of the plastic is. I'm just sort of peeling it, which is not as satisfying as I want.
I don't know why I'm malfunctioning, but come off.
5 minutes later.
Get in the box and think about how disappointing you are. Anyway, that was rather unsatisfying, but who cares? We've got the nice piano black finish there. But it's very subtle, this design. It's not going to stick out or anything, which is what you need if you're presenting. At the end of the day, you're the importance. Finally, we have the speaker, or the PA system itself. Ooh, wow, okay. Do you know what? It feels really nice and sturdy. So we have a carry handle with like a vegan leather. I like that. That's actually really nice. It's a nice touch having the soft handle on it. I'll do that in a moment, but we can attach the shoulder strap like this. Oh, we've got another peely thing. Peely thing. That's more like it. So yeah, it feels really nice and sturdy, this does. It is. Okay, so the front is metal. I mean, the bit where the strap is slightly rattly, but it's actually really nice and solid. I kind of like it. It kind of looks retro. And the best thing about this is that, say if you are wearing it on a shoulder strap, you can actually essentially wear this whilst you're presenting. This has a 40-watt speaker, so it has a bit of volume, which is what you need. In terms of the dials, we have the... Oh, that's nice. We've got the echo volume, the mic volume, and finally the volume of the speaker. We have the display down there. Previous song, play, pause, next song, mode, and power on. Any other controls? So we do actually have a few things on the back as well. Oh, wow, look at that. Saint Lark. On the back, okay, so we have the USB Type-C charging, USB for playing music on the flash drive, TF/micro SD card. So it's a 6.35mm mic 1, and mic 2, 3.5mm, and a 3.5mm auxiliary. So you have loads of options when it comes to microphones. WinBridge, your voice, we care. And finally, on the back, we do actually have a bass port as well. It's slightly irritating, I mean, maybe this is just because it's new, but it's a little bit squeaky, the handle. Let's see if it's got any charge. Hi. Has a nice little welcome tone. Very simple display. We have the clock here, which you can set, and then we have the battery life. So that's quite good. It actually shows off the amount of bars that we have left in the battery. Okay, so if you press M, so blue for Bluetooth, UHF for the wireless microphone. I assume if you're using auxiliary, you just plug it in, it just works. It's not, you don't have to actually go into an aux mode. It actually shows us the volume level on the knobs as well. So echo, there we go. And we've got the mic volume and the normal volume. Let's go ahead and pair it to my phone. So we'll go into Bluetooth settings, and it is the S98. Pair, please. It says it's connected for calls and audio and 90% battery. There was no tone from the speaker though, so do bear that in mind. It won't tell you that it's connected. But I assume it's all working. Let's go ahead and go into epidemic sounds. So the volume on the phone is separate to the speaker. Just point this towards you so you can hear it at home. I'll put the Bluetooth on the phone to maximum and then control it on the speaker. Oi, Facebook, stop interrupting my sound test. Okay, so we're in on volume 10, but that's a fair bit of volume. Wait until the song kicks in. A little bit of a dance. Okay, so you get a good amount of volume. It's only a small system. I mean, it doesn't seem to struggle either at higher volumes. It doesn't seem to distort either. It has a nice flat sound to it. It's not overly bassy, but it has a nice balanced sound. And it sounds quite clear, to be fair, as well. Anyway, just pause the music for now. Let's go ahead and check out the wireless headset. So, let's switch it on. We have a little blue LED. Let's see what the microphone sounds like. Hello. Hello. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. This is too much fun. I'm having too much fun. Okay, so I've actually got the microphone on the full volume at the moment. Hello and welcome to TechBaffle. My name is James and I am presenting you this wonderful S98 portable PA system. So hopefully you can hear this through the binaural ears, but I'll do a proper test outside as well because that's what it's for. It's meant to project into a loud room. But so I'm 32, that's on maximum volume now for the microphone. This is actually really fun. I don't know why I don't just do all videos like this. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Oh, that's on 19, so that's quite a lot already. And it goes all the way up to 32. So now it sounds like I'm talking in the middle of a cathedral. Very easy to use. Like literally, I just switched the headset on and I was good to go. When you're done with it, you can switch it off at the side. Remember to do that to save your battery, and you can charge it via USB Type-C. Now, top marks, they've got the nice bundled cable which has both the USB Type-C, so you can plug this all into one USB socket. That's actually a really nice feature. You can have it behind your head, which, yeah, I think this works better. I think before I had it facing this way and I had it over my head. I mean, you can, if you prefer to do that, why not? But I think, personally, I think wearing it behind your head just feels a bit more secure, doesn't wobble around. Like I can proper shake my head like this.
And you may think, James, why are you doing that? What are you doing?
But this is important. If you're moving around and you're talking, you're moving your hands, you're not just gonna be like this, talking like this, because this is boring. No one's going to watch that. But if you're fun and you're walking around and you're laughing and you're talking to people, you're going to be moving around at the end of the day. So you really want your headset to stay in one place, and that's just what it does. It feels really nice and comfortable. You've got all the controls on the side, so you can, I think by default it's on like 50%, so you can get more volume from the microphone if out the box it's not loud enough. Hello, Marley. This is a portable PA system, Marley. Yes, Marley's inside. Okay, so now I have the microphone turned on, and there we go. So now the echo is completely off, so this is just what it sounds like without the echo. Now, if you want it to sound a bit more, ooh, you can turn the echo up like so. You can go all the way up to this, which is very echoey indeed, but yeah, it's all up to you. But halfway is quite nice like that. Sounds a bit like being in the middle of a cathedral or something. But yeah, so that's a demonstration of the echo. You can pair up your music at the same time. So you can speak over the music if you want. It doesn't duck or do anything fancy, but you can adjust the volume separate to your microphone. You can adjust it both on the headset and the device itself. So the microphone setting on here is separate to this. This just adjusts it, so you can actually make it a little bit louder if you adjust it on the headset. So if you turn it all the way up and you don't have enough volume, you can actually turn this up to maximum as well. You can also turn the volume all the way down, or easier way to do that is just to switch it off and then suddenly no microphone. So you don't have to go to the device to do that. You just switch it directly from the microphone and it will just automatically pair together. Obviously it's a bit windy at the moment, hopefully it's not affecting the audio too much, but hey, this is a good test to see if it conquers the wind. So another thing what you can do, you don't have to stand right by the device either, you can actually stand completely separate. So I'm standing here. Let's see how far I can move away from it before it cuts out. So move further back, la-di-da-di-da. Hello, this is very exciting, this is very exciting, this is still very exciting, very exciting, very, very, very exciting. I think it's still going. Yeah, I can still hear it. Oh, was that cut out? No, I think I can still hear it. So, I think it's still working even from here, which is quite impressive. I mean, I can't really go much further, but you get the idea. I mean, it works at a fair distance. I don't know its limits, whether, what about around this way? If I walk along here, does it? No, we're still connected. So there's no problems with the wireless microphone. It really does keep its connection quite well, to be fair. Because I was worried it might keep on cutting out and be really annoying, but no. So you don't have to hold this the whole time just to get your connection. You can walk away from it, it will still work, which is the beauty of a wireless microphone at the end of the day. So you've got different options on here. You can either have this completely wireless, or you can actually plug this in. So you can actually plug in the USB-C into the device. 5 hours using the wireless microphone, up to 8 hours using music. So put the binaural microphones and the camera right next to each other, 2.5 meters away. So if I move this away, so let's say if we double the distance.
It's getting further. I don't know, I haven't got to take much anymore, but...
Oh, put it there. So that's around about 5 meters, I would have thought. So if I move further away, let's see if it cuts out. Hello, hello, hello. Yep, we're still going. Apologies, I just burped. Yep, we are still paired up very nicely. So how about if I go inside? Testing, 1, 2, 3. Hello, my name's James, and this is very exciting. Walking around through walls, different rooms in the house. So if it's still working now, it's 2 or 3 walls now being lit. One thing you can do, you can actually wear it like this, and thanks to the weather, it's actually starting to rain, so that's fun. Don't think this is classed as waterproof, so do bear that in mind. But yeah, you can actually just walk around. If that's your sort of style, you can actually just walk around and just talk away. Either that, or you can just hold it. It's really flexible, really good for any sort of situation if you're using it for presentations, trade shows. I mean, you could even use it for busking if you wanted to, if you wanted a really compact setup. I don't actually know the words, but you can sing along. You turn the echo up. Live, show me live. Light, show me light. This is very embarrassing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder how you are. On full echo would be quite good for Halloween. Very spooky. Ooh. As loud as the headset goes, and as loud as the mic goes. So it's not the loudest in the whole universe. Go in, get the party started. I think the music goes quite a lot louder than the microphone. You get the idea. If you don't want to use this headset, there's also 2 different microphone inputs on the back as well, so you've got both sizes of inputs, so you really have all the choices you could possibly need. And in general, this WinBridge S98 portable PA system actually works really well. That was really annoying. Anyway, before the weather gets any worse, I think I'll head indoors. Overall, it's a very good system, very portable, nice and compact, yet offers big sound, and it's incredibly easy to use, even if you've never used a PA system before. Power the speaker on, power the microphone on, start talking. Overall, I give the WinBridge S98 portable PA system a TechBaffle rating of 4 out of 5. If you want to buy this portable PA system for yourself, check the TechBaffle links down below where you can buy this on Amazon. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. If you want any more of this sort of thing, don't forget to subscribe and ding, so you don't miss a thing. I'm on Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok, Threads and Snapchat. Follow me at TechBaffle. For all latest, head over to techbaffle.com. Thanks for watching and have a baffling day.